Skip the
Welcome
delays.
to Boca
Fly
Aircraft
south.
Maintenance, where
Boca
precision,
Aircraft
efficiency,
Maintenance.
and experience come together to keep your aircraft mission ready. Let me take you inside our facility and show you what sets BAM apart.
Behind me, you'll see our rig boards, where our engineers perform critical flight control and structural alignments. This stage is vital. It ensures every control surface is calibrated to exact specifications for total reliability in the air. We gain a massive advantage here through our in-house automated CNC machinery. And making precision adjustments on site, we eliminate the need for outside vendors, slashing lead times and keeping your project strictly on schedule. If your aircraft needs a visual refresh, we offer rapid custom decals and vinyl logo services. From updated corporate branding to essential compliance markings, our team delivers a clean, factory quality finish. We specialize in fast applications and precision removals, ensuring your aircraft looks professional and stays compliant without missing a beat. By combining our maintenance crew with a full OEM tooling suite, including specialized equipment like Omni arms and Tron air jacks, and a complete technical library, we don't just minimize downtime, we provide a crystal clear analysis of your aircraft's health. Our extensive fleet of AOG vans and service trucks is strategically positioned to provide rapid parts delivery and on-site maintenance support wherever you're grounded, ensuring we have the resources and reach to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Beyond maintenance, we streamline the acquisition process, delivering expert pre-buy technical evaluations, conformity, and logbook research in just 15 days. Precision analysis delivered on your schedule. BAM is proud to be a preferred repair station for the industry's leading airframe and component manufacturers. Inspections such as the phase 1 through 5, C-checks, to the rigorous 12, 24, and 48-month inspections, our in-house team handles it all. A major key to our efficiency is our fully stocked on-site parts department. We maintain an extensive inventory of rotable components and organized spares, meaning we don't have to wait on shipping to move forward with your maintenance. By having the right parts ready the moment they're needed, we effectively eliminate delays and keep your aircraft's downtime to an absolute minimum. Safety in the skies starts with reliable data on the dash. Our specialized avionics testing room is fully equipped to handle comprehensive diagnostics and instrument calibration. By verifying system integrity in a controlled environment, our technicians can guarantee that your aircraft's electronics are performing at peak standards. When we return your aircraft to service, you can fly with total confidence in your systems.